Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We have different time zones and we have different globetrotters in this audience. So the time zones are also mixing up. I am Marco Buscema. I'm an Italian lawyer. I live and work in Udine, northeast of Italy. I am personally expert in personal injury and torts, Italian personal injury and torts. And I am the proud founder of WILL, Worldwide Independent Lawyers League. The key factor, one of the key factors in WILL is sharing knowledge, sharing experience. At the top level, as we are owners, experienced, focused people. And so that's the main factor we have in WILL, knowledge. And we are furthermore available to share it with the other people, with our colleagues, and also guests who might come to our meetings. Today is the Thursday's slot for the world of law, a series of episodes sharing specific topics or specific experiences by the groups. We have a vertical development by practice area and horizontal development by territory. And today we are proud to introduce the president of WILL Poland, attorney Justyna Matuszak from Warsaw. Justyna is an expert in the field of new technologies law with over 10 years of experience. She's a corporate lawyer with specific focuses. She provides legal services in the projects related to the legal protection of information, personal data, professional secrets, company secrets, very important. She conducted over 100 information security audits. She deals with numerous projects related to the GDPR. She performs the duties of the data protection officers in enterprises, and she's an expert also in M&A, especially when it comes to merge companies and she's an expert in these specific aspects, data protection, secrets, when two companies have to merge. Well, good luck, but we are protected because we have Justyna with us. Okay, so I could speak much more about her experience, but I don't want to consume too much time. Our slots are very concise, straight to the point, going down to the business. So I don't want to consume more time. I leave the stage to Justyna Matuszak, attorney Justyna Matuszak, to you for the next, let's say, 15 minutes and then Q&A. To you, Justyna.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the nice introducing me. But maybe from the other side, about me. In numerology, I'm a number 7. It means that I love asking, I love listening, I love researching, and I love sensing. But it also means that I don't speak much, but specifically. And you can expect from me more a final conclusion or a short advice. About my private life, I love people. I'm always happy to see you here in Warsaw. Last time, UN and his wife Teresa. In this year, Angelica for Easter, Lara, Małgorzata, many other people. I love you all having here. I'm a previous photo model. I did this for many years. I'm doing this for friends from fashion industry. I'm having fun with this. I'm a mother. I always wanted to have 4 daughters, but I'm having 2 sons. The blonde one is Mikołaj, still in preschool, very energetic. He's everywhere, always smiling. And the dark one is Stash, now in British primary school. He's melancholic, probably like me, very reasonable, talented designer, not like me. And he's very fascinated on our global New Year's celebration around the world. He's thinking and believing that participating in will make his enter to the Guinness Book and he will make a big money from it. I have been training running for many years. You can see some of my marathons medals here. Sport is a part of my life. My favorite is being pure. So we need to be here. I have training also after this presentation. So it's part of my life. But going back to the WILL, I would like to say how my WILL membership began. I joined in the fall of 2020, and actually I did nothing. I just joined, I paid the fee, and I was waiting for the cases from all of you. I was the first Polish affiliate. In that time, I was also in BNI. It was pandemic time, and I had the thinking about the competition, exclusivity. I was happy that I'm only one from Poland. And then some weeks later, Małgorzata joined, and I thought, oh God, now I have competition, so I maybe need to make a visibility in WILL. So at the beginning, maybe we didn't like each other, but Małgorzata, I love you. We are now the best friends. We did many cases together. We like cooperation, and we see each other each month. And after the year, making my New Year's resolution, I wrote on the paper, in the next year, I will participate in WILL meetings. And first of my advice, how to be successful is in WILL, what I'm doing. Receiving the list of our online meeting from Marco each month, I'm sending this to my assistant, and she adds all of these meetings to my calendar, and they have the same priority like all other meetings with clients. So when I have this at the beginning, it's booked and it's time for WILL. So 2021, first step in WILL, I really started to make this online Zoom meetings. I wasn't relaxed about my English. I was anxious about even having 10 seconds of presentation. I needed to write everything on the paper, but I started to do. And yes, and the break point was September 2021. I decided to share my prize about the leadership with Marco. It was also my first live meeting with someone from the WILL, with the founder of WILL. We wrote together an article to the book about leadership. We received an award for influential people in their field. And actually, after that, we also won the prize about the best article in that book. In that weekend, I also met for the first time Małgorzata in Warsaw, and it was really a nice time. 2 weeks later, we met in Naples. Thank you, Fabio Marinelli, for the great meeting. Francesca Sperti, it was also our first meeting. I can see you on the picture. And it was our first live meeting of WILL. We were all hungry for such meetings. It was also my first trip first business trip after I became a mother, and I was so happy as if I had gone to a summer camp without parents. And this meeting was again like a breaking point. During this meeting, the first relationships, trust, and work together emerged. Having this energy from Naples, we decided to go 3 weeks later, I think, to Madrid. Francesca, we met there as well, Marco, and here you can see me with Małgorzata. We were about to meet Polish Chamber of Commerce in Madrid. And yes, my next advice, go for a live meeting. From this meeting, I brought nice clients for the limited liability in Poland, from Spain. We cooperate until now. 2021, 22, I can call,
you just inform them.
as I can call as an acceleration of activities. And we started this great year with Asia Pacific gathering in Dubai, combined with Expo of Dubai. I had a chance to meet for the first time our Indian flag, first time UN and any other peoples, and also external partners. Thank you to Francesca Bertolini and Elena Schilgen. It was nice to meet you all. And 2022 is also a year of starting the cooperation with academia, thanks to Małgorzata Skabinska. You can also see a room for our global gathering in Warsaw. And it was also the opportunity for my life, also earning money. I started a cooperation with academia. I'm giving classes for MBA students, 1 weekend in a month. I have nice clients from this, nice contacts, also contacts for our gathering. So it's also a chance to be in WILL. In that year, we met also in Munich, thanks to Maximilian Breitling for this great meeting. And a big thanks, because it was a second chance for Munich, because Maximilian tried to do this 1 year before during pandemic time. And yes, it was also a nice visibility of WILL Polonia, for affiliates were there. And I remember our struggling with the security during Frühling Fest, our dancing. So lawyers having problems with the security during Frühling Fest, really nice story. And going next, we meet in Cancun. Thank you to Edgar Amirez and our Mexican friend, Luz Helena Tobon. And we had also a chance to meet our US colleagues. Thank you for our all-inclusive gathering. I love it. It was something else, also one of my favorite gatherings. And here you can see Joseph Weinrauch with me in Cancun, one Yogi. So my next advice is, please keep in touch always with our affiliate management board, Josip. He's an experienced guy. As you all may know, he's in WILL and with Marco from the beginning, so it's very important. And he will tell you how to use tools, and for sure he will tell you how to be tactless. So you will know how to cooperate also in WILL. And I also benefited a lot from his life experience. Thank you very much, Josi. I love you. You are now on your way. So have a nice trip. And 2023, I can call like WILL is my firm. My firm doesn't exist without WILL. They are somehow combined. And when I'm talking about myself during Business Mixer, BNI, etc., I'm talking about you guys, about our cases, about our cooperation, about our jurisdiction, about our time zones.
Justyna, excuse me, maybe it's only my problem, but your voice come and go. It's maybe
No, it's only your problem, Francesca.
Okay.
I am hearing Justyna perfectly.
Okay.
No, I don't know.
So,
What's the matter with the other guys? Are you hearing correctly? But also,
Yes,
Emil is not. Maybe Justyna, don't come and go too often from the mic.
okay. Yes,
Keep
maybe
a steady distance, and maybe it could help not to have variations in the volume. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I need always to move.
Thank you.
And as you probably know, there are lawyers everywhere. However, I'm now associated with my foreign activities, contacts, trips, people, you know, when it's about doing something abroad, it's me cooperating with all of these lawyers. And now, yes, 2023, our Pacific Asia gathering in my favorite country, India. I had a chance to visit your offices, Dimple Merchant, Pallavi. We're talking about our profession. It was really great. And this year we met also in Turkey. It was our global gathering. Thank you to Begio Mermerolu. It was also the celebration of Marco's birthday, of his 50th birthday. Great time, etc. And yes, now we are in 2024. We will see in some days in Amsterdam, and having all of this experience, being in all of this meeting, I was asked to organize WILL Global Gathering in Warsaw in September. This organizing is a part of my daily routine. Each day I'm meeting someone from academia, partners, sponsors. I hope it will be great meeting. And about my office, next advice. If you will enter the door of my office, you will see my trademarks and you will see the trademark of WILL. If you will enter the website of my firm, you will see also WILL. If you will go to LinkedIn, you will see also my activity in WILL. I'm trying to like all of your posts. I'm trying to comment. I'm endorsing you, and I have it back. I'm doing also all of these online meetings, and I'm reporting this like this, doing business in Kenya. After this reporting, I received the call from my clients. Yes, really, you are also in Africa. I have some business there. Let's meet. So be active and report this. And you can also find some people from WILL on my website, like Saili. We decided with Saili to make Indian desk at ESB in Warsaw, and Saili also offered the Polish desk in India. I'm also active with German desks, Italian with Małgorzata Skawinska, many others, and I think I will extend this. And now about cooperation in WILL. Here you see one of our Polish affiliates, Krzysztof Danielak. I cover all of his lawsuit in Warsaw. He doesn't need to go to Warsaw for the hearings. And within 1 year, we did 560 cases for him. I'm his lawyer B. It's not a big money, but it's a big value for my office. I can hire new lawyers, and it's a great cooperation between us. Here you can see my meeting in my office with Michał Grodzki. Oh, see also my conference room. There is a roll-up of WILL. So WILL is available always in my business slides. And during this one meeting, 3 criminal cases were ordered. And now we have about 5-6 cases with Michał ongoing. He issues each month one invoice to me. He's my lawyer B. International cases. I have also German desk, and I did a lot of cases with Andreas Hecker. Most of the time in this situation, I'm a lawyer A. Andreas is a lawyer B. We did more than 10 cases. Value of these cases is more than 30,000 euro. Company
Justyna, keep the distance from the microphone, because really now, yes, your voice comes and goes.
Okay. Yeah. Litigation, contracts, apostille, contract analysis. So it's great cooperation. And I can also say, going back to the live meetings, I don't have only cases from our affiliates. Now I'm establishing a limited liability for a client I met in Mumbai during our global gathering. Thank you, Pallavi, for making this possible. But yes, we meet directly, and he contacted me directly. And at the end, WILL is not only a business. WILL is also a friendship. Here, my WILL Club sister, we women support each other and are kind to each other, and we don't compete. And it's also an interesting experience for our children, for our family. My children welcome all guests, international guests, of course with gifts, don't forget about it. They are interested in culture and are open-minded. They say that their mom knows the whole world and they can go anywhere meeting nice people. Now they are counting down the days to go to Singapore to meet UN with the family and to Indonesia in some week. Thank you very much. That's it from my side. I'm open for the question, and I will prepare very fast the list with the name. And we have bank holiday today, so I don't have any help. So I will find a person for a gift by myself.
Thank you very much, Justyna. Thank you. Thank you for your insights, for sharing the experience. And so you noticed, dear colleagues, how it is important. Justyna took the chance, took the opportunity to lead a group of WILL. And like many others of you here, I see Saili, news are coming of Francesca, Sperti, Lucelena, and I'm seeing Maximilian writing, of course, and then Andrea, Vlanzoiu, Dimple, taking on leadership roles. It is very important. We can grow under a specific vision. And I'm very happy Justyna shared her initial approach, competition, platform, traditional networking, legal networking as correspondence. I call a correspondent. Can you help me? Yes, okay. Now this is my hourly fee. Just mark up your fee on mine. It's not my problem. That's what I want from this case. Take or leave. In WILL, we are allied. We cooperate. It takes time, but make your time in your agendas to meet your colleagues or to share these valuable slots. So thank you again, Justyna, for taking the lead of WILL Poland, and also external. You are the external relations manager for institutions, universities. For universities is Małgorzata. You for external other institutions or third parties. So we have some minutes. I start now with let's take the chance to share the next global convention, and where is taking place? In Warsaw. Okay, some details will be announced in the next weeks, but Justyna, can you, not in detail, I'm not asking it, but well, I'm sure that you are cooking, you and your team are cooking some surprises and many things to make it great. What you want to share with us? I know that some details are still in the pot, but please.
Yes, I'm very short in speaking, so be sure it will be great meeting. We are doing our best. Maybe I will share that. So in Warsaw, you don't have any sea, any yacht, and everything. And we will have the first opportunity in WILL. We will have some nice team building event. And it will be very nice. Some leisure activity we are preparing. Combined with arts, you will like it. Yeah. So,
but also institutions, representatives will come there. It will be magnificent. Warsaw is a great city, very nice. It's a big European capital city. It's a touristic place as well. Of course, it's a lot of beauty there, but it's a very important business center. So we'll have great chances. Dates 10, 15 September, right?
Yes.
Overall, coming on the 10th and leaving on the conference will be in the middle, let's say. Okay. And
I'm ready with the names for gift.
Okay, so but before you proceed with the draw, some other sharings you would like to ask Justyna something? We have Soumil from India, Devi from India, Lucelena from Mexico. Lucelena, please, and Sanjay from India as well. Lucelena, please.
Hello, my dear Justyna. So good to see you here sharing with us. And my question is, how can you handle in this hurry world your role as mom and as lawyer? Because I see you are very active in both activities, and that is awesome. How can you handle that?
Thank you very much. You know, I love to be in a harmony. So children are important for me, and my work is important. I share the time. So you can ask me after 10 p.m. about some case, but it's my time with children, and that's it. It's time for them, and the same for my work. So I think I have good logistics. I'm well organized. I think it's also about sport and my activity. I'm ready for this. And yes, I can't live without my work. Even having small children, I work and I can without them, they are everywhere. They are making drama, but everything is fine and I love it. And I'm good, better organized with them. I don't have time, to be lazy, to be slow. I just need to be on time because I have something else. I need to be in a hurry to go to school. So it's good.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Yes,
looking forward to
Maximilian.
see you in Warsaw.
It will be great. It will be great. Okay. Okay. Other sharings, other questions, other Maximilian, right?
Max.
Yes, Justyna, not a question, but an address. Great presentation and an absolute confirmation how nice and how successful you can be living in WILL's world and presenting yourself and being present for others. Great achievement. Congrats. I'm looking very much forward meeting you in Amsterdam, of course, and everybody else who will be there.
Well, next week. That's great, Max. Big surprises also there. Let's go. Okay. Other things, otherwise we proceed with the draw of the gifts from Poland. And we get ready for the next presentation with Andrea with the data protection meeting. So let's go. Okay, Justyna, you can proceed. What's the prize?
The prize goes to Switzerland, to Christian.
Hey, but okay, what is it? What a prize is?
Sweets. Ask Maximilian. He received once.
Yeah. Okay. That's
so. Shall I report what the gift will be, or is it a surprise?
Sweets.
I
So
won
now
the gift.
to Christian, but we received once.
I won the gift once already, and it was absolutely amazing. It was a huge package of Polish sweets. So Christian, be aware of having the Schlaraffenland with his several weeks, because I didn't know that, but Polish sweets are really delicious.
Oh,
yeah. I think it's a
look-
good it's a good tradition. We can set a prize or something important like this for people who join the meetings. Yeah, that's interesting. Thank you, Justyna, for sharing this idea. It's for BNI people, it's kind of the door prize. Yeah, so giving visibility and also rewarding people who made the time to be here today. Okay, Justyna, again, now I ask you a takeaway from this presentation, and then we'll close this slot, and I will make this recording available in the next hours, and we'll get ready for the next meeting with Andrea. You can share again, Andrea, then in the chats, the Google Meet link, please. Okay, so so people will be ready for this, because it is in 20 minutes. Okay, so Justyna, please.
My takeaway is, I was thinking about this, I even wrote this. Make a will of a part of your everyday life, be active and brag about it. That's it.
Wow, that's very nice, and that's very inspirational. Okay, thank you very much for being here today. Thank you, Justyna. Thank you, the other people, valuable, super people we have in WILL for joining. I see Devi Natraj from Chennai, India, Soumil Singhvi from Surat, India, Gujarat, India. But I see Sanjay also from Ahmedabad, still in Gujarat, but it's another city, and Maximilian from Germany, Andrea from Romania, Christian from Switzerland, Carlos Alberto Ortega Barbosa de Bogota, Colombia, and Dimple Merchant from India, and of course, I don't want to forget Lucelena Togon from Mexico, Francesca Sperti from Italy, Saili from Pune, India, Christine Lapaijan from Haifa, Israel, and Emir Shahim Pasic from Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thank you very much, and see you soon. And in less than 1 week, for who is coming to Amsterdam, will be there. See you in 20 minutes with Andrea. Please share the link for the data protection group presentation.
Yeah.
Another episode of the Wall of Love. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Nice to see you.
Ciao.